that we are a savings and investment plan, hindi yan ang role natin. If the client or you do not have enough life and health insurance, mamimili ka. Anong gusto mong galawin? Yung pang today or yung para sa future? Pag today, you need to cut down on the budget. Pag for today, kailangan mo magsanla ng bahay. From private school to public school, today. Yung iba naman, ayaw nilang masacrifice yung today, i-withdraw nila prematurely yung mga intended for the future. Pero, if you have enough life and health insurance, matibay pa din yung liquidity pillar and the accumulation pillar. Kapag nag-offer ka that we are a savings and investment plan, sinasabi natin that we're helping build the liquidity pillar and the accumulation pillar. Hindi yan ang role natin. Ang role natin is protection. Ano yung pinoprotektahan niya? Yung liquidity, yung panggastos today, and yung accumulation, yung binibuild niya for the future.